How to remove Google account from YouTube. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to learn how we can remove Google account from YouTube. Now you might have noticed whenever you open up YouTube, it is always logged into our Google account. Why is that? Well, let me tell you, your YouTube account is your Google account. So if you want to remove your Google account from YouTube, you can't use YouTube on Android. On iOS, however, it's a bit different because Google account is not compulsory on iPhones. If you're using an iPhone, you can come to the profile tab. Then when you go to the switch account button from the YouTube app, instead of selecting other accounts, you'll find one of the options that says use YouTube signed out. So if you're on iPhone, you'll find use YouTube signed out. But if you want to remove that same account on Google, on Android, then you have to remove that Google account from your whole Android itself, not just from the YouTube app, because your Google account comes from YouTube account, right? So tap on switch account, then tap on manage accounts here. Once you go to manage account, you'll find the Google or Gmail account you've added. If you want to remove a certain account, tap on it, tap on remove account. That account will get removed from YouTube, but on Android, the caveat is that that account will also get removed on your whole system, including all the Google apps like Google Play Store or from your Android or Gmail or whatever. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.